How's your face?
Better.
Better. You wanna do some work? How about you? You gonna stick around? Do some work?
Yeah.
We got the motor up here. Those heads look like they really want to go on there.
I'm gonna get at it.
Let's do it. I think we're ready. Grab a head gasket. Put it on. It should say top, bottom, front, back. Be careful, it's metal. Does it have words on it? Have words?
Front.
Front. There you go. Set it on there. You can be able to figure that out. It doesn't say top or bottom. It says front.
What? What's this?
Line up the holes, dude. You got those dowels in there. Get your finger. Multi-layer steel. Oh, that's a front. That's the back of the motor. Flip her around. Do one of these kind of skinny whizzies. So you know it says front on the front? Now everything should line up. All the bolt holes line up. All the water passages line up. Nothing plugging them. That one wasn't bad. And we have Fel-Pro head bolts, OEM style. Wait, no. You gotta put the hand. Ready?
Come on.
Get it on. Check. Looking good. Couple dog hairs.
Of course, she gets all over the place, even inside our motor. She has so many clones. So many little.
Drop a couple of those in the middle, would you? Take your time. One over there. These bolts, these are the early style. You got these on camera. See how there's different? Halfway through 04, they changed the head bolt size.
Yeah.
So we had to make sure we got the right ones. These are the shorties. These are the early 04s. So these two are special. And you see this? Probably not. Whoa, just sit back down. See this? Focus, baby! These OEM head bolts. See that red stuff? They got their own silicone on them. You don't need to put anything on these. That's what the book tells me.
Don't trust any books.
I trust the books. You don't like books? You gotta get books.
No.
I like car books. Here, put another one in there. Put it on here. Not there. Not there. On the bottom. Shorty ones. These weird ones. Go on the ends. Take one. One. Not that one. All started. Ready?
Yep.
Ooh, shiny. Those are the valves you guys cleaned up. Oops, upside down. Long day. Bolts, man. The one on the end is the silicone short bolt, remember? Those go on the end. Trying to get them started so this won't fall out. Yep, let's get it started. Here, take the silly bolts. Shorties, there should be one in each end. That's good. We just want them snug. You want to do the top? These are little baby intake bolts, intake side bolts. I'll do the big ones. Switch it up. There's that. Done tighten. We just want them snug, okay? Just so they're right on the edge, and then we will read the book. And we got to torque them in that order. Because if you tighten these bolts down in the wrong sequence, you're gonna bend this piece of aluminum. You can tighten it so bad you'll bend it, and it'll look like a Pringles chip. Where'd you get that?
What the heck was it? Hot garbage? Ooh, that's still pickle. My favorite.
Okay, there you go.
We're gonna dot the top.
Dot the top of each bolt.
Each bolt. Right there, you might not be able to see it.
Put a big dot on there. That way when we turn them, we know. That's good. Just a little red mark. You ready?
Yep.
And we're gonna do the torque again in that order the book says, but we're only gonna turn the bolt 90 degrees. Back up. Give me some room. Ready? Here's 90. Alright.
Don't do this to me.
You ready? 2, 3. Right here. About 90. 90. If I knew these were to be such a pain in the butt, I would have just shelled out the money for the ARP ones. 5, 90. What is your crazy brother doing right there?
Don't know.
96, 7, 8, 9. Now all your dots look like they've turned a quarter of a circle? Yep. Alright, what's the next step? We do that one more time.
Oh
Except for
man.
these little shorty, the weird shorty bolts on the ends, we only got to turn those 50 degrees. So move it over. And then we do these little tiny intake bolts. 22, make them click. The other way, righty tighty. I think that was it. Try it again. Just do a little click. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh.
You ready? See if you can make it click this time. Take another bite. Ooh, I heard it. Now do that one. E, could you grab that toy from your dog? She's being very obnoxious. Take another bite, buddy. I didn't hear it. There you go. I heard it click that time. Now this one. He's in the back. Straight. Here, take this hand and hold it right here. Right here. There you go. One more down here in the end. Just take it so she quits making. Oh, you already did that, and this one right here. Because I keep hearing her breathing on the video. It's annoying. Is that a click?
Yeah.
All torqued?
Yep. I'll torque it.
Torqued up.
What?
Head's done.
Head down.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for the best part?
Oh, yeah.
Peel some of this tape off. We'll go get the shiny part.
Just say. Ugh.
You ready? Are you ready for the intake? Are you ready for the intake?
Yeah.
I'm ready for the intake.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yep. You think we were going to show you the intake this time? Stay tuned. Bye. Bye. Boy, I really wish I had a hat right now. Booyah! Look, guys.
What you got?
Hats. New DBG hats.
New merch?
Yep, new merch.
Having your face. Still don't want to talk about it?